Hi, it's me, Denise de los Santos. Today we're going to be doing our interactive presentation number 3, the Volcano Lab. I'm actually really excited to do this lab. I know I say that every lab, but I didn't get the chance to do this while I was younger. A lot of the students growing up got the chance to do like some type of paper mache, a volcano, and got the chance to show that at like a science fair project fair for their parents, and I never got the chance to do it. So I know it's not actually that, but something like that. Um, so we're currently learning about chemical reactions known as acid-base reactions. And today, some of our materials that we're utilizing consist of baking soda. Just got that. Some vinegar, a paper towel, a water bottle, and just in case, because I'm not too sure if this is going to get messy or not, and I have a limited space to work with, I did get a paper bowl that I'm going to be using, uh, just in case the reaction, overflows, or I have no idea. Just don't want to get too messy. Have a lot of cleanup after, so that's just an extra there. This is not like necessary. And I also actually did use this spoon as well. You could too if you're gonna redo this experiment. Let's see here. So with these materials, we can see that vinegar is a weak acid, and this contains mostly acidic acid, and that baking soda is also known as sodium bicarbonate, a weak base. So we have a weak acid and a weak base here. And remember that this is known as an acid-base reaction. Um, I know that when baking soda is added to water, that it becomes or forms an alkaline, but I have no idea actually what's going to take place when I add the weak base and the weak acid together. So in our instructions, it states right here that we're going to go ahead and take the baking soda and wrap it with the paper towel or inside of a paper towel. So what I did is I went ahead and I opened up my baking soda on the side right here, the little tab, and I utilized that handy dandy spoon that I showed you earlier. And I went ahead and I poured this baking soda into the spoon here. And I believe that this is going to be a teaspoon. So not a tablespoon, this is a teaspoon. So we're going to use this teaspoon and fill it up. So what I did is I did fill it up pretty much up to here. And then what I did is I added it. In the instructions it says take the paper towel, take the baking soda and wrap it in a paper towel. So we're going to take that baking soda, put it down right here onto the paper towel down here. We're going to go ahead and rip that piece off with the baking soda in it. And then we're going to go ahead and make it into a ball. So it's kind of going to look like a little pouch. And I'm assuming that the paper towel is meant to act as a barrier. So it's definitely necessary that you wrap it pretty good. And you're going to go ahead and take that towel and place it in a water bottle. So in the water bottle that you have, we're going to go ahead and place it into there carefully. So I slid it in with my finger. I'm just going to gently glide it down. So not too abruptly. So as you can see right there, a little bit of baking soda did fall out, but you can see it's right there at the bottom. And this is the paper plate I have it in, just in case. So it didn't say how much baking soda to use or how much vinegar to use. So we're going to go ahead and add that vinegar right here, vinegar, to the water bottle. And we're going to go ahead and see what reaction is going to take place. So let me just make sure you guys got a good view of this. Perfect, right there. Awesome. So I'm going to open this up. And we're going to add the weak acid to the weak base and see what happens. I'm only going to add a little bit just to see. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and do more. Oh, okay, here it goes. Ooh, that's cool. So it definitely fizzes up. Awesome. So let's see what's taking place here. So when the baking soda is added to the vinegar, the product formation consists of salt and CO2. And this is because when an acid and a base are placed together, they react to neutralize the acid and base properties, producing a salt. And when adding baking soda, it exposed to acid and it undergoes decomposition reaction where carbon dioxide gas causes effervescence. So that effervescence was that bubbly stuff that was coming up. So that was coming up, and that's basically what was released at the end. So this is what caused the actual reaction to take place. That's kind of exciting. I didn't know how much it was going to go out, if it was going to go out of the bottle or not. But that was actually pretty cool. Yeah. Alright, thank you so much for watching. I think that was pretty successful. Thank you.